So, hello guys, amazing viewers worldwide. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Esther Kitchen. Today episode of my video, guys, is yam porridge with assorted goat meat eater styles. So guys, these are the ingredients I used to prepare this delicious yam beans porridge. I have here all presented: yam already peeled and washed, beans already cooked, crayfish already blended, and the eater styles are already well cooked and well seasoned. So these are them. The eater styles are well cooked, it was well seasoned, and it is very well cooked. These are goat meat eater styles I'll be using to prepare this yam porridge. And the beans is perfect well cooked. You can see it's very soft. And then next I have tomatoes, blended tomatoes and blended pepper in there. Okay, that I will be using all those quantity. Here I have palm oil. If you don't know what palm oil is, this is originated in Africa. It is made house from palm kernel. It's very nice and also healthy. Okay, this is what I will be using to prepare this recipe. Okay, there I have salt and blended crayfish and mango cube. All these I'll be using to prepare this delicious recipe, and I have my pot clean and placed on the cooking head. First, for the fact that everything is cooked, the beans is cooked, the eater styles are cooked apart from the yam. So I'll start from pouring the oil on the clean pot. It will hot a little, then I will add salt. Okay, keep on watching. While you are watching, enjoy the music at the background, and do please share this video with your loved ones. Okay, and do leave me with a good comment and like. If you are new to this YouTube channel, you are welcome. You are watching Esther Kitchen. Comment, subscribe, and put the bell button for you to get notifications of my new video. I promise to keep you updated always. Good. To all my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. You guys are super amazing. Alright guys, this is how we go, step by step. After adding the tomato, stir it together. I will add my cooked goat meat eater style and stir them together. Now I'm preparing it now for good taste. Alright, okay, stay tuned guys. Then I will add the blended crayfish and stir them together. Okay, for taste, for good taste. Right now I'm spicing them up, seasoning them. Okay, and then followed by the yam. Okay, let's go. Keep on watching. I appreciate you. You are super amazing. Without you, there is no Esther Kitchen. Thank you. I appreciate you. Then I will add the yam and stir together. I like my yam when it is ready, when the oil go deep inside. That is how I love my porridge. So that's why I always add my oil first when I'm preparing my yam porridge. Then I will stir, guys. Okay, I want the oil to steam, to go in. All right, that is how I love eating yam porridge. And when I cut it, it will be yellowish inside. So I just had mango cube, 1 cube, and I had a little bit of salt, more, just a little bit. Then I will stir them together again. So at this time, what I will do is to add water. After it is well seasoned for good taste, I'll add water and I will still stir it together. I'll still stir just a little water. Don't forget, like I said, everything is cooked apart from the yam. So guys, I will cover it up. So it is cooking and I just open it again. The next step is for me to add the cooked beans. Okay, then I will spread it around the surface. Okay, then I stir it again. You can see that. And I'll cover it up again. Then I will stir it again. Just simple recipe, delicious and simple, too easy to prepare. And this recipe is very heavy, and this is how I like my recipe. This is how I like my yam porridge. I always garnish it with all sorts of ingredients. If not ichaki, cow meat intestines, it will be dry fish, or it will be goat meat intestine if I have any, or it will be any of dry fish that I can lay my hand on. This is how I prepare my yam porridge, and if you taste it as it is, wow, it's super delicious. It's super delicious. We are done. So simple. The yam is cooked, everything is well mixed, everything is ready. Recipe is, you can see that, you can see it, thick, well prepared, and the outcome, it's super yummy and delicious. Thank you for watching this recipe. Share with your friends, I beg you. I love you all, and bye.